Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I turned my dining area into a in-home cafe or an in-home cafe. So it's winter time and I'm like a bear, y'all. Like, I like to hibernate. I do not like to be going out and about in the winter time, but I do work from home and I do go to school from home. And sometimes I just need a break from my desk. So I go over to my little cafe and I do my homework at the table. I did get a new dining set, so you guys will be able to see that as well. Yeah, but I really like it. And since my birthday is in December and Christmas is in December, with the help of my family, I was able to create that cafe atmosphere. And so I'm so excited for you guys to see what I have created. So without further ado, let's get started. So I want to start off by showing you guys the before, how everything is. This is the mess that I have right now. Okay, I got a lot of bottles of syrup and a huge thing of coffee for my K-cup maker. I do have that as well. And then I do have this cute little coffee shop sign that I'm going to hang on the wall there. And I do have to take down everything Christmas because, yeah, I waited a long time, but it's okay. So first, right now, I'm just cleaning everything off of the stand. So right now I have these little things that I got from the Dollar Tree. They were 2 for $1 that I'm going to stamp some of the bottles on. So I've got all these bottles of Torani syrup and I've got some pumps. These were your flavors that you would find anywhere, like caramel, salted caramel, vanilla, French vanilla, all my favorites. I do have like s'mores and toasted marshmallow flavor. Yeah, like that. You got it. Nudie! Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys about some of my favorite cups now. This is my Harry Potter Don't Let the Muggles Get You Down mug. I think it's so cute. My Harry Potter mug that I got for my birthday from Hogwarts. I mean, for my sister, but for Hogwarts. My To Me You Are Perfect, my Mickey Mouse mug, and one of my favorites, my Italy mug from Epcot, Italy.